Deep in a magical forest, there lived a tiny dragon named Puffy. Unlike other dragons who breathed fire, Puffy had a special problem. Every time he tried to roar, he sneezed instead. And when Puffy sneezed, colorful bubbles filled the sky. One day, the king's birthday arrived, and the castle needed fireworks. But a big storm had ruined everything. Puffy, feeling brave, stepped forward. He took a deep breath, but instead of fire, achoo! A burst of glowing bubbles shot into the air. The sky sparkled with red, blue, and golden bubbles, lighting up the night like magic. The king laughed with joy, and the people cheered. From that day on, Puffy wasn't just a sneezing dragon. He was the magical bubble dragon, loved by everyone. The end.
Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such content.